Javvante Myers Kernney. Mr. Myers Kernney, you're charged with.
All right, pause, right here. This isn't just a lover's spat gone wrong. The charge is criminal mischief, and we're talking felony level damage. In Texas, anything over $750 can land you in hot water. So that busted windshield, it's not just a crack in glass, it's a crack in freedom.
Criminal mischief, you're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you.
Yes, sir. On October 10th, 2024, the officer was dispatched to an assault in progress in Harris County, Texas. The officer made contact with the complainant. The complainant stated the defendant, her ex-boyfriend, damaged her motor vehicle. The complainant stated she was in an argument with 3 different girls through text, and the defendant did not like that and got very upset. The complainant stated she asked the defendant to go outside to her car to grab some diapers, and the defendant started damaging the motor vehicle due to the motor vehicle not being unlocked. The complainant stated the defendant was smashing the windshield and kicking the doors. The damage was estimated to be approximately $1,000. The officer made contact with the defendant. The defendant stated the complainant doesn't need to press charges as they have a child together and that he is willing to pay for all the damages.
2019, burglar of a motor vehicle. 2022, evading arrest. 22, unlawful carrying of a weapon. 24, ag assault, possession of marijuana. I'm talking to you.
Yes, sir.
Possession of marijuana, another ag assault, another evading arrest, possession of a substance in a possession of a prohibited substance in a correctional facility, a fugitive case, and now a criminal mischief. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now.
Let that sink in. 23 years old and already 10 cases deep. That's not a rap sheet. That's a resume for jail. The judge isn't just doing a drug test for fun. He's trying to figure out if there's any logical reason behind this self-destruction. Think he'll show up clean?
10. How old are you, Mr. Javvante Myers Kernney?
23.
10 cases and you're 23 years old. I'm sending you for a drug test right now because I want to know what, if anything, is in your system. You must come right back after that drug test. If you fail to go to the drug test, if you fail to come back, I'm going to make your bond so high. Do you understand? You are not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case, not to be in possession of any weapons, or go within 500 feet of.
Your Honor, just so the court's aware, you're currently on probation out of Lumpkin County as well
What?
for engaging in organized criminal activity.
What else does he have at accounting
Kennedy?
staff?
Police history right now, Your Honor. Judge, it looks like he had some juvenile history out of Fort Bend for theft.
So that's how many? Okay, so there's 11, 12 for the engaging case. What else?
That looks like it for the actual file cases, Judge.
Yes. Well, because there was also a theft of a firearm in Angleton as well as
13,
a theft of a firearm out of Galveston.
14, 23 years old and 14 cases. You're on probation for a 3rd-degree felony, and now you've picked up a criminal mischief. I'm going to put an ankle monitor and I'm giving you a curfew of 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. and I'm going to have you come here twice a week to prove to me that you're not consuming alcohol or illegal substances. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
One false move, holy moly. So let's send him for a drug test right now. And then Mr. Myers Kernney, do you know how hard this life is without money? Do you have any clue?
Sir.
Don't. Because you have no clue. You don't care about your future. But just wait. You've got 14 cases on your background now. All your
Okay, let's be real. This job description is giving serious creative writing assignment energy. Temporary phone assistant for someone's girlfriend's voting gig. The judge is trying to give this man a lifeline, and he's out here tossing noodles at the wall hoping one sticks.
doing, you're making your life impossible to live for the next 30 years of your life. Because when people see this, what do you think they're thinking? Do you have a job now?
Yes, sir. I work for my phone. It's just temporary job though. Just
Doing what?
I answer dealing with the voting right now. People that doing the voting. I just answer the call, see if they voting. Answer a couple questions that's on my little list. Ask them a couple questions that's on my little
You're
list.
working for?
It's just my brother girlfriend. Her name Ebony. She worked at this it's called. I can bring all the paperwork. I can show everything about it. I just forgot the name of it. But I worked through her. This is a temp job for her. Like I basically her assistant, just answering her phone by people that's voting, writing their name down, stuff, giving the information to her so she can file it. And I can bring all the information for you though, just to verify and show you what I actually do. Then I actually had a job working as a temp for Danny's group. If you ever knew, that was at Igloo out there, Katie. Igloo, just work at that company.
Did you graduate from high school?
No, sir, I got my GED though. I'm working to get my GED right now in my West House.
No. I asked you if you graduated from high school. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Did you get your GED?
We're getting it now. I'm in the process of it right now.
We are going to work on that together right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set your case off and I want you to show me what you have done to get your GED. I'm making that a condition of your bond that you get your GED. And if you don't do anything, it's not going to go well between you and I. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, if we can send them now for a test, you're to come right back. Take a seat for me.
Arredondo, Chavez.
Stephen, I need your help. Mr. Cormier, right?
Yes, sir.
You have 2 felony warrants for your arrest now. 2 felony warrants for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, 1 for aggravated assault of a family member, 1 for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. You've made bond on our interference case, but it looks like they just filed on 10/10, which was about 8 days ago, 2 felony assault cases. So we have to take you into custody. You do have a lawyer coming today?
Yes.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to verify that the warrants are valid. If they are valid, I have to take you into custody. You're being held at that right now at no bond. So at some point you'll get in front of a magistrate and I don't know if they'll set you a bond, but I'll have you talk to your lawyer today as well. Okay? Goes with you.
Judge, Victoria said something. We had him scheduled for a TRS, but he wanted out before he could do it in custody. And they were PR bonds.
No, I'm not done with continue to give you PR bonds and you fail to appear. No, it doesn't work like that. We give you a PR bond, you don't show up. We give you a PR bond, you pick up a new case. You know, it's over and over and over. I mean, when do we say when, Mr. Williams?
No, I got into a program. I got into rehab. I got off. I was homeless. I'm from South Carolina, and I got into a program.
We're up to 3 cases. We're up to 3 different times you don't appear. I mean, when do we say when?
They threw my paperwork and all this type of stuff away. I didn't know nothing about this.
Oh, they give you paperwork when you leave the jail.
They held my property, sir. And I came up here to get my property over like 10 times, and they sent me to another HPD or something.
Always someone else's fault. Always someone else's fault.
I went back and forth, sir. And that's why I got off on that errand and got into a program like I told them I was going to do. And now I stayed up here so I could come up here and see what's gonna go down with this right here, because I'm going back home. Then I'll keep it.
What rehab are you trying?
Gifted Souls in Pearland.
You just give me a piece of paper.
I've been in there a whole week. I didn't want to just walk up to you and give it to you, but
But this isn't a paper, this is just information about the program.
yes, sir. I've been here a whole week.
So let's do this. Take a seat for me in the jury box. I'm gonna get a hold of your lawyer.
I
Because,
don't have a lawyer.
yes, you do. We appointed you a lawyer. You have a lawyer, Mr. Brooker. So, I don't want to do anything until we talk with your lawyer to figure out where we're gonna go. But, so just take a seat for me in the jury box. I'm gonna get a hold of your lawyer. We'll see how we go forward.
Judge, I figured you want an update on Kenneth Williams. Do you recall, we met on him, looks like it was back on the 27th. Due to his failure to appear on one case, his bond was revoked. He went into custody. He bonded out. I wanted to just kind of share with you what's been going on since then with him.
Okay.
So Judge, firstly, Mr. Williams has been staying at a place called Gifted Souls. It appears to be a mental health treatment facility. They helped him to get here today, so on and so forth. He does not have a phone as of today, but he intends to get one today, is my understanding. That will keep us in better communication. So originally I was appointed on, I believe, 2 cases, and then there was a third somehow. So I ultimately got on that case too. Spoke with the state. There's still some discovery outstanding. Even the offense report, strange because it's HPD, so we don't have that either. So they're unable to make a rec or anything at this time. I'm comfortable with him on bond, Judge, based on what he shared with me, that he is being treated by these folks. And I wanted to just get him out of the jury box so we can prepare his defense and move on from there. But last time you had some concerns, so I just wanted to make sure that we talked.
We let him out, he picks up cases, and then he doesn't show up. I mean, he's here today, but I guess we should be thankful for that. But I mean, it's just, how do I know he's doing what he's doing? You
He
know?
said he would, and he did.
What I'd like to do is I want to send him for a drug test to know if he's clean. And then, if he's clean, we'll continue bond. If he's not, then figure out where to go.
Well, what I do know is that he was treated for, apparently sustained some injuries while in jail, bad injuries. Went to Methodist. So I would imagine anything that you would find would be something that would be prescribed.
Come up, Mr. Wiggins.
Now this is the judge hitting the "I'm done with your nonsense" button. PR bonds are mercy plays, and Mr. Williams is out here treating them like coupons. The judge knows this act, and he's not buying what Williams is selling. Time for some real accountability.
They're not going to do a prescription for cocaine or meth, though.
Understood. Yeah, sir. And just also to share with you,
Yes, sir.
this appears to be a mental health treatment and addiction therapy facility where he's staying now.
It's a card.
Just for knowledge for you.
Ultimately, that's a card.
Yeah.
There's no proof of admittance. You could be pulling the wool over my eyes. I have no idea, Mr. Williams. All I know is that you've got 3 open cases and you continually fail to appear. Yet they see fit to continue to give you PR bonds. It's not going to happen again. If you fail to appear on me again, even if they give you a PR bond, I'm going to put you right back in.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
You're not to use alcohol. You're not to use illegal drugs. And I'm sending you now for a drug test because I want to know what, if anything, is in your system.
Yes, sir.
You're not allowed to use anything. If you have a valid prescription, okay. But there's no valid prescription for meth, cocaine, psilocybin, PCP. There's no valid prescription for any of that. And I'm telling you not to drink alcohol as well. If I find that you're using any of that, I'm going to put you in. I'm not giving you another PR bond. So how do I know that you're in this actual facility? That's a card. You can get that on the bathroom wall. How do I know that that you're actually there?
Sir, but we can call him right now. I just don't have a phone, sir.
And Judge, I'll do the footwork on that. That's something that we've taken upon ourselves to verify. But based on what Mr. Williams has shared with me, I feel comfortable with what he shared with me today is true. He intends to get a phone today, so that would allow me to keep better tabs on him and keep him better advised as to what's going on with this case. But right now, the state doesn't have all of the evidence. So
So this, I'm not waiving his appearance anymore. He's got to appear here from now on. Okay. How long till you get everything? The case is just too much drama. It's time to put it to bed.
Judge, it looks like everything's been requested. We can, I'll follow up with my admin and see where we are.
It's weird. It's an HBD case from
I know,
that's what I
September.
said.
It should be in.
That's what defense and I were saying at the table.
HBD uploads their stuff immediately. There's no
their
excuse as to
policy
why.
actually, Judge, to do it the same day.
That's for Williams, right?
Yes, it is.
So I'm going to send them. So pick a day next week. We'll have them come back. I want you to bring me proof that you're actually in this facility. I don't want just a piece of paper. I want proof that you've actually been admitted and that you're staying there because I don't want you out on the street. That's what I've told you since the beginning. I don't want you on the street being up to no good and just living on the street. If you have a place to stay, wonderful. Then that's okay with me. But street is not okay.
Thank you, Judge. We'll
Okay.
take care of it.
All right. So pick a day next week. You have to be back here and I'm sending you for a drug test right now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you a lot.
For now, Judge, may you step into the gallery?
Please.
Can I get my little?
Yeah, get yourself.